Hello friends, welcome to S.Ram Technical. Today I will show how to download and install Microsoft Office for free. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. First open the source file. I had given the software link in description. Click on the setup file. Select the programs you want to install. Here I am selecting only some programs: Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Then choose Office. I am installing Office 2016. Select architecture also. My Windows architecture is 64-bit, so I am selecting 64 and disable remaining all products. Then press Install Office. Press OK. Microsoft Office is installing. It will take some time to install. Installation is completed. Click on Utilities, press Office Retail VL and click Activate Office. Activation successful. Open a Word document. Click on File on menu bar and press Account. Here you see the product is activated. Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2016.